Hey there, and today I will tell you how to open orders with the help of the TradingView signals. Before we start, let's see what TradingView signals are and how they are helpful. TradingView has created a new coding language called Scripts, which allows to create indicators and strategies which signals when the order opening trigger works out. Also, it may signal when it crosses the price. Besides, even more detailed settings can be set, for example, crossing from bottom to top and from top to bottom, exit to or from a channel, etc. Creating the signal on TradingView is the theme for a separate video. So far, we will just demonstrate how signals work on price cross. Switch to our terminal on the Account section and open Signals tab. On the left side, you'll see the new signals creating menu and list of already created ones. And on the right side, you'll see the signal settings window. We need to decide which signal type we want to receive, as each one of them has its own set of rights to perform certain actions. Now I'll expand the list of action types, and you can easily guess that each type has a set of actions that it can perform. Let's analyze each action. Open can create orders that open a position with the connection of the necessary control models. DCA or dollar cost averaging can open averaging orders within an open position. If a signal with the permission to only averaging has received and there is no open position, then the position won't be opened and the signal will be ignored. To open the permission with action open must obligatory be. Close creates closing order. Moreover, at the moment, the closing order closes all positions ignoring the quantity field. Close all created closing orders in several positions at once according to its settings. So, let's create a signal with the very detailed settings. By default, it is the first in the list and click on plus. We see new signal settings. Let's analyze each of them. We form a name based on access rights to certain actions, but you may rename it as you want. Action shows which rights to create an order has. Selling or buying order. As you may have already noticed, the signal type can work as with opening or closing, as we need both closing and opening orders. In fact, in current form, we just fixed the setting code for operating, and you with the script may send needed order direction. For instance, to close long, we need to send sell order, thus your script must be able to send buy or sell depending on your strategy. Next parameter is the order type that will be created by signal. Floating is a limited order without replacing by order book extreme price. Limited order is an order with a fixed price. In case when you choose this type, additional field will come out and where by default placeholder is displayed, putting in the order price from your strategy, but you can also type the price or the name of the indicator that will transmit the price. Market order is an order that executes orders in the order book. Filling type allows to choose what will be sent on signal, quantity, order sum equivalent in dollars, which is by default by the way. Order sum equal to the balance percent, order sum equal to the balance percent multiplied to leverage. The last one is only for futures. In the value field, the number is entered depending on previous settings. In this case, an order for $11 will be placed. Please make note that Binance has its limitations on order opening, including by minimal prices. For example, for spot market, it is not lower than $10, and if you'll send a signal with less than $10, then the order won't be opened. Next parameter is position. It allows to determine in which position the order would be opened. If any is chosen, then long and short ones would be opened, depending whether it's sell or buy. Using the hedging strategies, you must choose long or short in signals, otherwise two positions won't be opened simultaneously. In case if in signal there is a long and sell, and at the same time there are no open long positions, then the signal will be ignored. In description, I'll leave a link to the text where all the system's behavior options would be described depending on order and position direction. Isolation parameter. Isolated position placed only for futures and marginal markets. If it's off, then the margin of all wallet is used. If it's on, then the margin allocated for this position is used. Please note that for marginal isolated trading, you need to transfer funds to a separate wallet. The next parameter is a leverage. It is used only for futures and it affects the amount of margin in a position. The higher the leverage, the lower the margin and the higher the risks of liquidation when trading with isolated margin. With the cross margin, only the margin in the position is regulated and the leverage does not affect liquidation since the entire balance of the wallet serves as the margin. By default, pair has a placeholder which is named the same as the TradingView signal does, but it may be another name entered. There are models below that could be connected to control the position. Take profit model creates from 1 to 8 take profits automatically when the position is opened at the level set in the settings. SL model open stop loss orders. SLX model is a stop loss trailing on executed take profits. There are separate videos for each model, we'll leave links to them in description. On the right side, the link and code for inserting into a TradingView signal. Again, I'm paying your attention to what side parameters should be sent from your indicator or strategy if there would be an open and close in one signal. Let's create a signal on a TradingView on cross price. Copy the link from the terminal and its message. Save the signal. Here the signal was activated and there was an order opened in the terminal. There would be a note in position and in order that it was created via webhook. Current position could be closed by take profit or stop loss or by closing signal. Let's demonstrate a position reversal. There should be a reversal setting activated in signal for that. Changing the signal by indicating the sell signal in the message. Here the signal is activated and the current position was closed in the terminal and the opposite direction was opened. Well, thank you all for watching. If you liked the video, put your thumbs up and also write your comments and questions on the operation of the TradingView signal system in the comments. Good profit to you all. See you soon on air.